Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video on the channel. One that's very different from any video I've done so far. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make enchiladas made from frozen burritos. Now, let's get started. Now, you are going to need 4 ingredients to make frozen burrito enchiladas. Enchilada sauce, the burritos, shredded cheese, and sour cream. I didn't have any sour cream at the time of making this video, and by the way, sour cream is just an optional ingredient. The first thing you do is pour some enchilada sauce onto the pan. Doing so keeps the burritos from sticking as bad and also helps get the flavor under the burritos. Then put the burritos in the pan, but make sure the folded part is down. Next, spread your cheese all over the top and pour some more enchilada sauce on top. You can do it also before putting on cheese, but it's your decision. Now, put your burritos into the oven. Set your oven at 375 degrees and keep it in the oven for about 40 minutes. To make sure they are done, stick a knife into one of the burritos for about 15 seconds. Then feel the tip of the knife. If the knife feels cold, put it back in the oven for about 15 to 25 minutes. If the knife feels hot, then you are ready to eat some delicious frozen burrito enchiladas. Alright everybody, that is going to be the video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.